Hi guys, I'm gonna do a review for Street 2. So let's start with my review for Street 2. Street 2 Sarkata ka antic translated woman to terror of the headless. Headless is a 2024 Hindi language comedy horror film directed by Amar Kaushik, written by Nathan Butt, and produced jointly by Madak Films and Geo Studios. It is the fifth installment in the Madak Supernatural universe and is a sequel to Stree 2018. The film stars Rajkumar Rao, Shraddha Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi, Abhishek Banerjee, and Apar Shakti Khurana. So, plot for Stree 2. The film opens with the ending scene of the previous installment where Stree is about to re-enter Chanderi. She notices a statue of herself at the town entrance with the inscription "O Stree Raksha Karna," a woman protect us, and chooses to leave. Years later, Chanderi faces a new threat, a headless ghost named Sarkata, who abducts women at night and drags them into a nightmarish alternative the accusation the townspeople. However, unaware of the ghost's presence, mistakenly believe the missing woman have left for better prospects. Vicky is played by Rajkumar Rao, still in love with the girl with no name, credited as she, Shraddha Kapoor's Stree, frequently imagines her appearing before him. Meanwhile, Rudra, Pankaj Tripathi, receives an anonymous letter containing missing pages from the Chanderi Puran and a cryptic message: he will come. One night, Bittu's played by Khurana Shakti, girlfriend Chinti is taken by Sarkata. A beggar who witnesses the abduction confirms the ghost's existence. Vicky, Bittu, and Rudra investigate the tomb page, the tomb pages of the Chanderi Puran and discover Sarkata's origin. They find out that Sarkata is the vengeful spirit of Chandraban, a former village head who murdered Stree and concerned by beheading her husband and burning her alive. After Stree's departure from Chanderi, Sarkata has returned to target progressive women. Realizing they need Stree's help to defeat Sarkata, the friends seek out Jana, who's played by Abhishek Banerjee, in Delhi, who was possessed by Stree. Jana, living with his cousin Bhaskar, played by Varun Dhawan as Beria, is lured back to Chanderi under the pretext of a stage played by them. But when he discovers the real reason, he recurrently agrees to assist while searching for Stree at the old fort. Sarkata attacks and nearly kills Jana, who experiences visions of the alternate dimension where the abducted women are held captured. Believing Jana to be dead, the group is shocked when he receives and they narrowly escape the fort with Sarkata in pursuit. As Sarkata terrorizes the town, she reappears and saves the group by fighting Sarkata using the powers of Stree's blood attached to her hair. The townswoman, living in fear, blames Vicky for defeating Stree, which they believe led to Sarkata's emergency. They pressure Vicky to take responsibility for the new threat, and she convinces him that he pure soul makes him the right person for the tasks. She gives Vicky a magical dagger and instructs him to use it to cut Sarkata's head in half. To trap Sarkata, the group organized a dance performance by Shama, Rudra's girlfriend. During the performance, Sarkata appears, but Vicky fails to discourage him. Sarkata then possesses all the men present except for Vicky, Rudra, and Jana. Sarkata subsequently abducts Sama and the possessed men, including Bittu, begin controlling the townswoman. Desperate for a solution, the group follows a clue from the anonymous letter to a mental asylum, where they meet a descendant of Sarkata. Akshay Kumar makes a cameo on the film, guys. Good performance by Akshay Kumar in his dialogue delivery. The man reveals that Sarkata can only be defeated by a being that is half of both, neither fully man, non-woman, human, or non-animal. With this knowledge, she merges her body with Vicky's, creating a being capable of entering Sarkata's lair. Inside the lair, Vicky and she confront Sarkata. Vicky cuts Sarkata's head in half with the magical dagger, but each several head reappears, regains into multiplied new heads. As they are overwhelmed, Bhaskar arrives in his werewolf form and attacks Sarkata. Varun Dhawan's character as a Beria, as Bhaskar enters and in the scene. Good entry by Varun Dhawan, actually. However, the battle becomes dire when Sarkata reattaches his head and overpowers Bhaskar in a final attempt. She calls out to her mother, who is revealed to be Stree. Stree arrives and, with Vicky's help, defeats Sarkata by beheading him again and dragging his body into the lava, destroying him for good. After Sarkata's defeat, the women are freed and the men are released from the ghost's control. Vicky and his friends are celebrated as heroes. She reveals that she is a ghost, which is Shraddha Kapoor, and must leave, but not before whispering her name to Vicky. In the woods, Bhaskar, now human, retrieves clothes from Jana and asks Jana to set him up with she, which is Shraddha Kapoor, which is declines, but Bhaskar continues to plead. In a mid-credit scene, a mysterious pot containing Sarkata's remains reaches the mental institution where his descent inhales the flaming smoke from the remains and becomes possessed by the monster, hinting at the return of the terror. The film is absolutely fantastic. Stree is the winner. The performances are brilliant by Pankaj Tripathi sir, Khurana Shakti, Jana as Abhishek Banerjee. Rajkumar Rao steals the show as a Vicky. He steals the show. Is a film of Rajkumar Rao. Absolutely fantastic. He's tried to defeat Sarkata. And Stree is a she. Shraddha Kapoor also brilliant. She has a small role. She came back and she disappeared, but Shraddha Kapoor also fantastic in the film. She's my favorite actress in Bollywood, and yeah, Rajkumar steals the show, the film. The film belongs to Rajkumar Rao. Absolutely fantastic. Akshay Kumar's performance, special cameo, outstanding. His dialogue delivery, outstanding. Beria, Bhaskar, Varun Dhawan, absolutely fantastic. Brilliant performance by him. Plus, Tamanna Bhatia's dance number, Aaj Ki Raat. Disappointing was that the song was not full in the film, but the writing, the story, the songs, everything was outstanding, fantastic. Street 2 is the all-time blockbuster. Best movies of 2024. And all the credit goes to Amit Kaushik and Denise Vijan and Maddox Studios. Hats off to them. What a brilliant film they made. Fantastic. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. One of the best films. Street 1 was brilliant. Street 2 doubles for me. Absolutely fantastic. The Makeda film, absolutely fantastic. The performances, the music was super hit. Absolutely brilliant. The Khoobsurat song comes at the end, and the other song comes out by Pawan Singh. Ai wala song. That song was brilliant as well by Pawan Singh. Outstanding. That's my favorite song. Aaj Ki Raat, which the song was full. That was a blockbuster, chartbuster. Aaj Ki Raat song. Khoobsurat song was brilliant as well. And Ai, Pawan Singh steals the song. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant film. Absolutely fantastic. So I'll give the film 4 out of 5. It's brilliant. Kaushik's first expressed interest in developing a sequel to Stree in 2018. By February 2022, Rao confirmed that the project was in development. However, original writers and producers Raj and DK were no longer involved, having parted ways with the producer Dinesh Vijan over the rights to the franchise. As a result, Bhatt took over as the writer. The sequel was officially announced by Vijan and Jyoti Deshpande in April 2023. Principal photography began in July of the same year, primarily taking place in Chanderi in Bihar and concluding by mid 2024. The film features a musical score composed by Sachin Jigar. Some fantastic super hit music, guys. Sachin Jigar. Brilliant for Street 2. With additional scoring by Justin Wagedi. Cinematography was concluded by Jishnu Bhattacharya. Sorry, Jishnu Bhattacharya ji. Yeah, I meant to say. And the editing was handled by Hemant Sarkar. Street 2 was theatrically released worldwide on 15 August 2024 on Independence Day and received positive reviews from critics. The film has grossed over 456 crore at the box office, emerging as the second highest grossing Hindi film of 2024. The highest grossing Hindi film of 2024. So, brilliant film. Absolutely the best film. This universe is outstanding. Brilliant. Directed by Amar Kaushik. Brilliant direction. Brilliant. Written by Niren Bhatt. Produced by Dinesh Vijan. Another hats off as grand salute to Dinesh Vijan. Brilliant sequel. Brilliant. Jyoti Deshpande. Cinematography is Jishnu Bhattacharya ji. Edited by Hemant Sarkar. Music by Sachin Jigar. Songs Justin Verghese. Score. Production companies are Maddox Films, Geo Studios. Distributed by PVR Inox Pictures, Pen Madar. Running time for Street 2 is 149 minutes. Country India. Language Hindi. Budget for Street 2 was made 50 crores. And box office, the film is storming so well at the box office. Yeah, so 456.28 crores at the moment. It's storming. Stream Mania is going wild and crazy, and the film is fantastic. I loved everything. Plus the cameos of Akshay Kumar, the dialogue delivery gives, his look is given is brilliant. Varun Dhawan as Beria, as Bhaskar, also brilliant. The fight scene with Shraddha Kapoor with her choti, fight scene with Sarkata and Rajkumar Rao steals the show. Yeah, and lady superstar is really Shraddha Kapoor in today's generation. She was brilliant. She had a small role. She comes and go, but yeah, she had a small role. Bhavish, her role was more longer, but the film belongs to Rajkumar Rao. Hats off to Rajkumar Rao. Brilliant performance as Vicky, and how he had to defeat that Sarkata from that dagger and magical powers he's been given. She given the magical powers. Stree. Yeah, and Stree has to find out Shraddha Kapoor's mother in the film, the ghost, and the Stree, she was a ghost. And yeah, absolutely fantastic. The performances, the story, the comedy was fantastic. The acting was fantastic. The music was brilliant. Absolutely spot on. Fantastic. This is what I call a film. This is what I call a film. Best film of 2024. Absolutely brilliant. I love Street 2. It's a repeatable film. I can watch again. Probably 3-4 times. It's not good. It's not good, guys. Absolutely fantastic. पिक्चर तो बढ़िया है. इससे बढ़िया पिक्चर नहीं मिल सकती ये साल. This year I'm talking about. ये साल की बढ़िया पिक्चर है. So Street 2 is the fantastic film of this year. मुंजिया के बाद अभी ये Street 2 है. Street 2 धमाका कर रही है at the box office and the film is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Just loving it. Loving it. I'm just praising the film. Praising the film so much. Absolutely brilliant. Everything was brilliant. The story, the writing, the cameos, the music, the comedy, the horror, the CGI, the Sarkata's performance as well as this beheaded monster. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. My favorite scene has to be the fight scene when Shraddha Kapoor with her braid, powerful braid, she fights this Sarkata. That has to be my favorite scene, and the climax, and the songs, and the performances. Rajkumar Rao wins the show, wins my heart. Plus Shraddha Kapoor as well, and Pankaj Tripathi, brilliant, sir. He's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. This is a call a film. This is called a film of the year. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Veda failing at the box office plus Khel Khel mein is game over. This is keep storming at the box office and is entered 456 worldwide, and in India is grossed 300, entered 300 crore. So it was a very good achievement. Absolutely big, massive, man, massive. These Maddox films are clicking very well at the box office. Stree in 2018 successful. Then Beria was average. It was okay film. Then Munjia, look, small budget film, it managed to cross 100 crore in India. Small budget actors, but the film clicked, Munjia. And then Street 2 also clicking very well at the box office. Maddox films, Dinesh Vijan clicking very well at the box office. This is the horror comedy genre is working and it's clicking very well at the box office. No other film this year clicked. Except for Kalki was a massive blockbuster. Yeah, from the Telugu side and Hindi dubbed side as well. And Street 2 is the Bollywood savior, in my opinion, is the Bollywood savior. Shraddha Kapoor, savior, and all the entire cast of Rajkumar Rao. His third film after Shirikant and Mr. and Mrs. Mari, and now he come back in Stree, playing his character Vicky. So Rajkumar Rao gets 5 out of 5. The film gets 4 out of 5. My favorite Shraddha Kapoor gets 5 out of 5. She had a little role, but still she was brilliant. She was gorgeous, brilliant. When the Khoobsurat song comes at the end, and Ai Kheton Mein, that song was Pawan Singh, outstanding. When the song comes, that's brilliant. His song is famous. That song, Pawan Singh, and Aaj Ki Raat. Yeah, the song could have been longer. Yeah, the song was short. She was longer. The goodness and the beauty and the dance numbers of Tamanna Bhatia was brilliant. Aaj Ki Raat. Yeah. But the film is a winner for me. It's an all-time blockbuster. 4 out of 5 for the film. Dinesh Vijan gets full marks. 5 out of 5. And Maddock Films and the makers for this film, brilliant. 5 out of 5. And all the performances. Pankaj Tripathi, 5 out of 5. Khurana Shakti, 5 out of 5. Abhishek Banerjee, 5 out of 5. Special cameos. Akshay Kumar, 5 out of 5. Beria Bhaskar, Varun Dhawan, 5 out of 5. Everyone performed very well in the film. Absolutely fantastic, and the story was making sense. The concept was making sense. Everyone was making sense. It just I understand the story when I watched the film from the start. Brilliant, because the story continued from this first part, Stree, which it ended, and this story continued from there, and the story found out the Stree was actually the ghost, and Shraddha Kapoor's mother in the film as she was the ghost as well. Vicky likes her a lot, falls in love without knowing her name. Yeah, brilliant. Everyone did brilliant performance in the film. Absolutely fantastic. So, a grand salute to Dinesh Vijan, grand salute to the makers. Brilliant sequel, absolutely fantastic. And the third part will come out, and Akshay Kumar will be the next ghost, the next boot, you want to call him. And Akshay Kumar should do this kind of films. It clicks well. Yeah. And the end of the show, that pot and all that, and Akshay Kumar was revealed. Absolutely fantastic. All positives. So 4 out of 5 for Stree 2. It's an all-time blockbuster. Absolutely fantastic. It's storming at the box office. Stree Mania wins for me. So yeah, absolutely love the film. Stree 2 is a winner. I can watch this film four times again. Brilliant, brilliant, absolutely outstanding, fantastic movie of 2024. After Munjia is Stree 2. Simple as that. So yeah, 4 out of 5 for Stree 2, 5 out of 5 for all the songs, the cast members, the story, the writing, the comedy, the horror, the CGI. Absolutely brilliant. It's a winner. So I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.